So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website gigabyte.com. Okay, and then you can search button to click and then enter your model number of motherboard Z890 UD Wi-Fi 6E, then hit enter and then click to product. After that click on model number of motherboard. Then click to support. Select your operating system which is required. If you Windows 10 any use, so installations process same. Chipset, this is processing unit driver, and click to download. When you click to download, it will start downloading. Then click on after download, just click it and double click to exe. Then click to yes. And then install and then close it. So automatically close means this is installed.